This is CPM Calculus Chapter 2, number 53. Here we're asked to find the equation of the line through the vertex of the graph y equals 2x squared plus 6x minus 20 with the slope of m equals to negative 7 over 3. Write your answer in point-slope form. Point-slope form. Okay, so it's good to know the different forms. Okay, so the vertex. So this is a parabola, right? It has a squared term, so it has a vertex. So how do we find the equation, or sorry, how do we find the point of vertex? So a vertex is at some point, right? X comma y. Well, we know the x value is going to be negative b over 2a. So let's find that. A is straight from our equation here, our quadratic equation. A is 2, b is 6, c is negative 20. So negative b over 2a is equal to negative 6 over 2 times 2, which is negative 6 over 4 or negative 3 over 2, right? So the y value is just going to be our function at this x value. So y at x equals to negative 3 over 2 is going to be y equals to 2 negative 3 over 2 squared plus 6 negative 3 over 2 minus 20. I'm just plugging in negative 3 over 2 into our equation. I get 2 times, so when we square this, I get positive 9 over 4 plus, I can make this a 3 and this a 1. So that's a negative 9 when I multiply 3 by negative 3 minus 20. Okay, 2 cancels out here, so I get 9 over 2 minus 29. So that's equal to 9 over 2 minus 58 over 2. Okay, so I just made the denominator the same by multiplying 2 over 2. And then 58 minus 9 over 2 minus 58 over 2 is 49 over 2 negative. Okay? So our point is going to be, so this is our function at negative b over 2a. So our vertex is going to be negative 3 over 2, comma, negative 49 over 2. So that's our vertex and our slope. And we want to write the equation of the line through this point. We have a point with this slope in point-slope form. So point-slope form is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. And then we have x1 comma y1 here and our slope there. So it's just y minus negative 49 over 2 equals to m, negative 7 over 3 times x minus negative 3 over 2. Okay? So we can simplify that. That becomes y plus 49 over 2 equals to that's hard to read. 49 over 2 equals to negative 7 over 3x plus 3 over 2. Okay? And that's basically all we do. We could write it in decimal form, but we don't need to. And this is our answer in point-slope form. Okay? The important thing is to remember here is how do we find the vertex of a parabola? How do we find the vertex? That point, remember it's negative b over 2a, comma, the function at negative b over 2a. And that's a point, x comma y. So we got that. We're given our slope. We write the equation of the line. Okay, so this ends chapter 2, number 53 in CPM Calculus.